Hey guys, Charles Float here and welcome back to another video. In this presentation, I'm going to be taking you through the February 2021 Google algorithm update. I'm going to be telling you which days it mainly affected, all about the algorithm update, what it affected itself, as well as my early on findings for the update. If you want to make sure that you're keeping up to date with every single one of these videos, then all you have to do is subscribe down below and click that grey notification button to keep up to date with every single video that I release. So let's talk a little bit about this update. The update itself wasn't nearly as influential as the December core update. I would say it's about 20 to 30% as impactful as that update. The update main days itself were actually the February the 8th and the 17th, as well as all the surrounding days. Those 2 days are where we saw the most volatility across the SERPs. And if you wanted to know, we saw massive gains with this one. So we're over the moon with all of our portfolio so far. The December update did hurt some of our sites, but all of them that we've managed to do the changes and start implementing all of the 2021 updates so far have been successfully making gains throughout this February update. So we're really happy with that. So what did this update actually affect? Now bear in mind this is still early days. The analysis isn't 110% there. We have yet to check through all of our data and there is probably still more data to come. We don't even know if this update was just consolidated to this month or it's going to continue over the next few days or potentially even into March. So there are similarities in the signals that were in the December core update, and it is link building focused and there was no specific link type targeted. So essentially what it means is that niche edits and guest posts themselves or even PBN links, they weren't gone after as a specific link type in this algorithm update, even though it was a link building focused algorithm update. Instead, Google went after link signals in general. So that could be they're wanting to improve the ratios of nofollow, they can improve anchor ratios, it could be a majority of different things. It could even just be purely down to authority, even lessering or making making the impact of authority even more important. It depends, and and we'll really have to come and see. Though what we can see is that it is similar to the December update. So if you were making changes in the way of improvements to what the December core update targeted, then you are very likely to have seen improvements in this update, which is what we are seeing with all the sites that we made improvements to. So any of the update analysis from that update video and that update itself from anyone else as well probably still remains true to this update as well. So who won and who lost? Well, first up, it does seem that prior to the algorithm update, there were less ads than there are now. That basically means that Google somehow baked into this algorithm update that they can now serve even more ads onto the SERPs. So that is probably the number one winner of this entire update is Google's own PPC service. New sites also tended to bounce back. In fact, .gov sites as well, two of the main losers in the December core update, both maybe potentially seeing preferential treatment in this update or potentially just signals being changed to favour those sites even more. Authority seems to be a big one again in this update, which just again seems to be every single update, Google tweaking authority, generally in the upwards trajectory for that one. And then e-commerce unfortunately lost. This might be to do more with Google trying to feed more into their merchant feed, though it could also just be purely the case that e-commerce sites in general lost because of the signal changes of this update. Generally, e-commerce category pages and things like that don't have links, and if it is a link building based update, they tend to just lose anyway, because if you don't have links, you don't have authority and you don't win in an authority based update, unfortunately. And that's about it for this video. I know it's just a short presentation, as I said at the start. There will be more videos coming out next month that I have planned that are significantly longer and bigger and have more information than this one, though this of course is of a very early on algorithm update. If you want to get more updates, I always tweet about these kind of algorithm updates and just general SEO changes at Charles_SEO on Twitter. You can also visit my Facebook page, facebook.com/thecharlesfloat, as well as all of my free and premium SEO and digital marketing training is available at gumroad.com/thecharlesfloat, as well as you can visit my blog, which I don't really blog on anymore as of about 2019, on charlesfloat.com. I've been Charles. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe and hit that grey notification bell if you want to see every single video I put out. Peace.